Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus, and I'll be picking more cards from another deck, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So we are picking cards from this deck. I hope the reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Taurus. So these are for your relationship and these cards are for your career situation, guys. And we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. So let's start with your general energy. So we have Page of Swords, Justice in reverse, and Three of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you are a very honest person, and whatever your situation is, you think it out clearly before taking up any action, and you are very analytical and you are ready to test the truth you feel. So when the situation demands, you do not go by what you have formed for yourself, but you are ready to scrutinize the truth that is there. Maybe you have realized something, but you are willing to see what that other person is thinking or what they are perceiving. So you are not afraid to go against what you believe, maybe if that is the truth for that circumstance. And today in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. There are people who think of you as someone who is very severe, adhering to the right things, or they are against the way you are thinking or you are acting. Maybe you behave based on the truth in your heart, but they do not like that. They feel that you are too severe and you are imposing your truth on them. So some kind of stress or worries because of that. And people, they do not like you a lot because you are quite severe. You are someone who has ideals and you follow that in any situation, guys. And maybe today you may get the chance. Maybe for some of you, you would have been in a relationship with someone, you would have had a very deep relationship with someone, and this person is not with you now. So it may be your ex lover or your partner, but you are meeting them today, guys, maybe for some of you. Or it may be a friend with whom you lost contact for a long time. So they are turning up all of a sudden, or maybe something like a coincidence, and you are meeting them, guys. So maybe for some of you, this may rekindle the feelings you both had, maybe, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We have few cards here. It is Seven of Fire, Eight of Fire, and Temptation. So these are for your relationship, guys. So this may be what you feel towards this person or what they feel towards you. So in this in this connection, maybe maybe for some of you, you have some recurring thoughts or some kind of impulses that is pushing you towards some behavior. It may be some bad habits or addictions, or it may be something that affects other people in your situation. So you need to be careful, guys. If you have something that is bothering people around you, you should go for moderation. And maybe in your situation, in this love, the way this connection is going, either way you are, if you are having that beautiful understanding, love and mutual respect and caring, that is gaining momentum and you are reaching engagement or marriage. But if not, if you are seeing some troubles in your connection, even that is gaining momentum. Maybe both of you are parting ways, moving away from each other, and there is a chance of huge transformation happening in your situation, guys. Both of you are maybe moving to a different place, maybe, or this person is moving away for work, or they may be giving the reason as work to move away from you. So, and also you feel that you are the one who is doing the right thing, and you are not willing to be really flexible or adaptable to this connection, guys. Maybe this may be your energy or their energy, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for your relationship. Let's see what are the cards for your career situation. So we have 3 more cards. It is Star, 4 of Earth, and Messenger of Earth. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, maybe you have that inspiration and you have that hope for a bright future, and things are happening in such a way it is boosting your spirit and confidence today, guys, in your situation. So things are going in a very peaceful and harmonious way in your situation, and you are a very hard working person who has that strong will, determination, perseverance to see it through whatever your situation is. And you are having that confidence, and you are building that strong foundation for your career. Maybe you are making huge changes in your career situation, guys, and that is building that stability or that strong foundation you need. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for your daily reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.